Okay, I'm going to show you how you take a mixed number and convert it into an improper fraction. So a mixed number is a whole number with a fraction. First step is you're going to take 2, so the whole number, times 4, which is the denominator. So I have 2 groups with 4 in each, and that's going to give me 8/4, and then I'm going to add it to the 3/4 I already had. So that's these 3/4 here, and that gives me 11/4. So you can see right here is 1 whole, or 4/4, the second whole, or 8/4 like we had here, and then here's the other 3/4. So that's how we get 11/4. Alright, I hope this helps. Thanks.